I share your happiness when I was also a parent like you. When my two daughters studied in the elementary, secondary, the tertiary level. What about our teachers? Teachers who are happy. Our graduates. Sino mga teachers dito? Lahat. Sino na? Ikaw, anong pakiramdam mo ngayon?
Of course, we are very proud with our children. I'm very happy for them.
I share your happiness. When I was also a teacher for 18 years, I guided my pupils. For several years, I taught in the public schools. Every time that we graduate our pupils, I'm so proud because I was part of their learning and I was part of their experience. So, there are several times na makakatagpo ako ng isang graduate ko, "Sir, thank you so much for guiding us when we are in your care." Kaya yung po,